Hey, JVix here with another AI tip or trick or hack. If you've followed us for any length of time, we've been a digital marketing agency for close to 13 years. And I say we, that's myself and my team. And over the last few years, we've gone to great lengths to really understand how we can use AI tools in our work. I mean, it's cool that there's all these tools and AI seems really cool and trendy and fun, but like, what do they do? Right. So I have a web page, and you may have gotten here from this web page. I'll put the link in the comments, but we have a page where you can go and see our favorite tools that help us be productive in our jobs. But one of the tools that I really love, and the reason I want to spotlight it today, is because of all the different things it can do, but also all the money it can save us to generate really high quality images, is a tool called Gamma. And if you're not familiar with Gamma, I'm going to bring it up right here. Gamma is actually a presentation creator. It's an AI presentation slide deck creator, right? And some of the things that we've done, you build gammas, which are these slide decks. They can be exported to PowerPoint or Keynote, PDF, right? And you can actually just put in a prompt. You can create an AI slide deck from a piece of text, a file, a website, notes, an outline, anything you have, and it will generate. For instance, I helped with a bookkeeper friend of mine to do she wanted to do a presentation slide deck on how to categorize expenses so that it makes sense to a business owner and is appropriate for tax purposes. Right? So it gave me the outline, said medium text. We used the image model of Ideogram, which is what I want to talk about. And it actually made this slide deck that was really, really cool. So if I show it to you real quick, it's not here why this video is here, but it made this slide deck for in less than 3 minutes, right? Really nice, really simple. And sure, I'm sure there's some places where you'd want to edit it, but when's the last time you opened up Keynote or PowerPoint and you just had a blank slide deck to look at? You're looking at a blank slide one and you're like, man, I got to make this whole thing. Gamma will do it for you. But Gamma's power is not just in these visual presentations. It can do websites, it can do presentations. What I've really found is I was playing with a tool called Ideogram the other day. Ideogram is an AI image creator, much like some of the other ones you might have heard of, like Flux or Playground, right? But what's really cool is Gamma added this AI image features into it. And what I want to talk about is a lot of the AI tools have a hard time with text. And I'm going to show you some differences here. They have a really hard time putting the right text. If you look, it looks like maybe sometimes it looks like it's in a different language other than English, maybe Russian or Eastern European. And then it sometimes looks like hieroglyphics. You don't even know what the heck it's saying. Well, I found a tool called Ideogram. I didn't find it. The Ideogram is out there. You're probably more well-versed in it than I am if you've been around the tool space. Ideogram does the best job of putting text on an image, which is great for your social media posts and pictures, right? Your ads, you want to get some text on there. So one of the things that I found with Ideogram is it costs money, right? Just like all these tools cost money. Ideogram costs money. So you get a subscription or you buy credits to Ideogram, and then you have this Gamma. Gamma put in an AI images feature where if you go to generate a new image with AI, it gives you the option to put in our magic prompt, right? Which if you don't know what our magic prompt is, I can put the link in the comment. You can go download that PDF. You may have gotten to this video from that PDF. So now you know what the magic prompt is. But one of the things you can do is when you're creating, you can choose a style. You can choose your ratio, square, portrait, or landscape. But right here, you have all access to all these models. Flux Fast, Imagen 3, Playground 2.5, Flux Pro, Ideogram Turbo, Imagen, Leonardo, Playground, Dolly, which everybody's familiar with because that's OpenAI's, Flux Ultra, Ideogram 2.0. Ideogram 2.0 is tremendous at putting text on an image. So our magic prompt for high quality photography is right here, right? Ultra detailed professional photography, 50mm lens, overhead angle, blah, 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 right? Then you just put your prompt in front of it and say, insert the words where you want them, right? And here are some of the images that it turned out for me. I wanted it to say half price burgers every Friday. I wanted this burger with melting cheese and crispy bacon, right? And it gave me a couple of different variations. And man, those burgers look good, right? And the image looks really good. I'd probably use this one. I like the brown lines on either side of every Friday, right? But here are some of the alternatives. So I did this with Flux, and Flux gave me 1/2 price for price burger, right? Then it gave me 1/2, I don't know what this little X thing is, price burgers. And then it gave me one that was right, half price burgers, but it just doesn't, it's not artistic. It doesn't go with like the ad. It looks like somebody just had a picture of a burger and they slapped that image on there versus this one or this one, right? Where it puts the line under it. It kind of just looks like somebody put more than just slap the text on it. They actually took a little bit of extra time. Now, I will say that sometimes it doesn't, using Gamma doesn't spit the text out. I asked it for the TGIF half price burgers in bold block letters over this one. It didn't do it. So what you do is you switch your model, generate some images, and switch back. The cool thing is it's not costing you credits. If I was doing this on Ideogram, I'd be paying for these credits. But because I have a paid $20 a month Gamma plan, I can just create these images using whichever model I want. They have integrations with them. So now if I need images, I use the tool that I also use to make my slide decks, which is Gamma. So I'm going to put a link to Gamma in the text. If you haven't checked out Gamma yet, I really highly recommend Gamma. It is my favorite AI tool for productivity. I build presentation decks and mock-ups for websites and just get different inspiration and ideas all the time. So check it out. Check the link in the bottom. If you buy it through my link, and because I said so. And I hope you enjoy this tip of how you can get all the AI images you need without having to go get accounts and buy credits with all the different AI image generation tools. All right. Thanks so much. And hope to talk to you again real soon. Take care, everybody.